Hello and welcome to narisakhi.com, where like-minded women come together for social and economic cause. You can earn cash at Narisakhi through different ways. You can also check how many points you have earned, that is how many cash points. Go to the members tab and you can choose your username and see how many reputation points you have earned. You can also sort it with the reputation points. You can see this green button, just hover your mouse over it and it will show you in the tooltip how many points you have earned. Sakshi has earned more than 1300 cash points. We display it with a different with a gap of 100 points, so she may have earned somewhere between 1300 to 1400 cash points. Now there are different ways to earn cash at Narisakhi. One of the way is you can sell your items. Now here one of the member has displayed the item with the sale price and shipping charges and all the information. Now some other member decides to buy from this member, then they will communicate with each other, and once they finalize, seller will email to Narisakhi that so and so buyer is interested in buying her product. We are going to check how many cash points she has. Suppose seller has decided to sell the product for 1000 rupees, and then they need to check whether buyer has 1000 rupees in their account by just simply coming to the members tab. Once they decide on transaction and email it to us, then we will hold on to the cash in the buyer's account. Once the transaction is complete, we will transfer the cash from the buyer's account to the seller's account. Now the buyer and the seller is responsible for the transaction. Narisakhi do not charge any commission or any transaction fees. This is just to help women to start home-based business and to motivate them to earn cash by selling the products. Other way to earn cash is by participating in a contest. We have different contests each month where winners are allotted cash points. It is very difficult to be a winner all the time and earn cash, and very few people get the opportunity to be the winner all the time in all the contests. So you can also earn cash points by just participating in the contest. Every month we have contests where you can just participate in the contest and earn cash. Like for example, this month we have Narisakhi Raw Food Fest, where you just participate and you get 50 cash points. So if you're declared as a winner, you get an additional 100 cash points. So in this contest, there is an opportunity to make 150 cash points. By just participating, you get 50 points, and by winning, you get another 100 points. You can accumulate your points in your account, or you can get it uncashed. Each member is entitled to uncashed cash points when they reach 500 cash points. We transfer the money using we can transfer to your PayPal account, and not every member has PayPal account, so we also transfer to your bank account if you have bank account in the major Indian banks. In all other countries, the transaction is done through PayPal in your local currency, whichever country you live in. If you live in India, you get in rupees. If you are in US, you get it in dollars. And you have the choice to either accumulate your cash points. There are some members who have accumulated the cash points for future use. Some members decide to uncash it. So it's your choice whether you want to uncash your cash points or you want to accumulate it and uncash it later. If you have any questions, feel free to post your questions on Narisakhi forums. Thank you for listening and have a great day.